Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. I'm going to be showing you how to fix broken makeup. We've all done this. It's the worst feeling ever, but don't worry, there's definitely hope, and I'm going to show you how to make your makeup look brand new again. Also, this method involves no alcohol, so make sure you don't put any alcohol in there. There's going to be tons of blogs and videos that tell you to do this, but I did it and guess what? It turned my shadow really slimy and really gross. So we're not doing that today. Okay, so here's what you need. We need a spatula and a nickel. Using the spatula, I'm going to start crushing up the broken eyeshadow until it's really nice and fine. The finer that you can get it, the better. And I know this looks really scary, but trust me on this, you guys. If you don't have a spatula, you can use a toothpick or anything that's pointy should really get the job done. Next, I'm taking a coin that I've cleaned and sanitized, and for even more hygienic purposes, I'm going to put it in a saran wrap. You can also use a Ziploc bag, and I'm just going to wrap it really nice and tight, make sure there's no air bubbles. And then you want to take the coin and just press it down over the eyeshadow, and you want to just hold it there for a few seconds. And from here, you're going to slowly release it. And then I'm going to take my finger after and just smooth over the area, making sure it has a really nice finish. Here's a little close-up of the eyeshadow. As you can see, it looks back to normal again. Now I'm going to show you guys how to clean up the palette. This is by far my favorite method. So I'm going to take a makeup brush, which I dipped into alcohol, and I'm just going to clean up and really get into all the little edges. And that's pretty much it. Super simple and easy. This took me less than 5 minutes to do. Now I'm going to show you guys how I fix my Becca highlighter. I love this thing, but I've shattered way too many of these. I'm starting with my spatula again and crushing up the highlighter into really fine pieces. As you can see, the pieces are a little bit chunkier in this one, so I really had to take my time with it. Now I'm just taking a wider spatula and pressing it down, leaving it there for a few seconds. So essentially this is the same technique I used earlier. I'm just using a wider surface, and I'm going to do that repeatedly throughout the whole compact. And this one took me a little bit longer, so just really take your time with this. You want to make sure the top is really nice and smooth. Now I'm just taking my finger and wiping down the top surface. Again, this is going to make the finish really nice and smooth and just make it look brand new again. All right, guys, that's it. That's the secret to fixing your broken makeup. I hope you guys found this video helpful and learned something new today. If you have any questions, definitely leave them below. Otherwise, I will see you guys next week. Mwah.